Thank you for taking your time to view this video. Beginning in the 2014-2015 school year, it was mandated that all students entering high school were to follow the graduation requirements of the Foundation High School program set out by the state of Texas. Students now choose pathways and endorsements in those pathways to determine the classes they will need to take to graduate. Upon entering 9th grade, a student shall specify in writing which endorsement he or she intend to earn while in high school. You have shown interest in the public service pathway and the endorsement of certified nursing assistant. Before I get into the details, I would like to reiterate that what is contained in this video is an example and basic explanation of this graduation plan offered at Princeton ISD. These examples show the required courses for the CNA endorsement. It further explains which courses should be taken each year of high school. And because the state of Texas is allowing students to take more college courses during high school for dual credit, this video shows the endorsement plan without any dual credit courses, with optional dual credit courses, and the endorsement plan with the completion of an associate degree at the time of high school graduation. Please note that the associate degree used for this example is an Associate of Science in General Studies. With different dual credit course options, the associate degree course work could be different. In this presentation, the suggested course sequences are shown and intended for a student who begins all high school credit in his or her 9th grade year. Throughout this presentation, different symbols or colors are used to suggest options available to students. An asterisk signifies courses that can be replaced with an equivalent course, and the blue color shows courses that have dual credit alternatives or is a suggested dual credit course to complete the associate degree. Now let's look at what the public service pathway and certified nursing assistant endorsement entails. The courses required for the CNA endorsement, just like many other endorsements, are 4 English credits, English 1, 2, 3, and 4, 4 math credits, the sequence being Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, and then Pre-Cal or Statistics, 4 science courses, Biology, Integrated Physics and Chemistry, or otherwise known as IPC, Chemistry, and then an advanced science course of a student's choice, 3 social studies credits being World Geography, followed by U.S. History and Government and Economics. Each student must also have 1 credit of a physical education course, 2 credits of the same foreign language. For most Princeton ISD students, this will most likely be Spanish 1 and Spanish 2, a credit of a fine arts, and then students will have to take the Principles of Health Science, which is 1 credit, Health Science Theory, which is another credit, and the Practicum of Health Science, which is 2 credits. This class is during the senior year. Finally, to fulfill the 26 credit requirement set by the state to graduate, a student must have 3 additional credits of electives of his or her choice. The courses that are shown in blue, like English 3, English 4, U.S. History, and Government and Economics, can be taken as dual credit courses. These may be substituted. Now let's look at a yearly progression of high school courses for the typical high school student. As we look at the CNA endorsement, please remember that this plan is for a typical student who begins all high school credit in his or her freshman year. During your freshman and sophomore years, many students take the same courses without much differentiation between the endorsement plans. This is because during these years, students are working to complete the basic required courses for high school graduation. A standard freshman on the CNA endorsement would take the following courses: English 1, Algebra 1, Biology, World Geography, Spanish 1, PE or a PE substitute such as band, athletics, ROTC, or show choir, and a fine arts course. During the sophomore year, a typical student would take English 2, Geometry, IPC, U.S. History, Spanish 2, and 2 electives of his or her choice. Junior year normally consists of English 3, Algebra 2, Chemistry, Government and Economics, the Principles of Health Science, the Health Science Theory, and 1 elective of his or her choice. Finally, a senior would take English 4, Pre-Cal or Statistics, Anatomy, Practicum of Health Science for 2 periods, and 2 electives of his or her choice. If you noticed, U.S. History, English 3, Government and Economics, and English 4 are all blue and underlined. This means that these courses can be taken as an on-level regular course an AP course, or a dual credit course. On this screen, we see the same four-year plan with a few differences. This shows you how you can complete a CNA endorsement along with an associate's degree by the time you graduate high school. Instead of taking courses offered only on the high school level, you would enroll and take courses through Collin College as well. Some of these will be offered on the Princeton High School campus, while others can be taken online or require a student to travel to one of Collin College's campuses. Instead of taking U.S. history and an elective in the sophomore year, a student would take History 1301 and 1302, and Psychology 1300 and Speech 1315. In the junior year, English 3 would be exchanged for English 1301 and 1302. Government 2305 and 2306 would be taken on the college level, and 2 semesters of a dual credit elective would need to be taken. In the summer between the junior and senior year, after physics has been successfully completed, a student would need to take Environmental Science 1401 and 1402, or another college science course of his or her choice. This must be done in the summer because of the labs associated with these courses and the time constraints during the regularly scheduled school year. Finally, during the senior year, students would take English 2327 and 2328, Math 1314, which is college algebra, Math 1342, which is college trigonometry, or Math 1325, which is college statistics. Arts 1301 and 3 semesters of dual credit electives need to be taken. Everything else would be the same. Again, we would like to thank you for watching this video. You took your time to inform yourself a little bit more about the CNA endorsement offered to the students at Princeton High School and Princeton ISD. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact one of the high school counselors. Our information is provided.